Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda CB500F. This naked Street Fighter twin-cylinder 500 just arrived from the original owner with only 1,599 miles. Beautiful showroom condition, fuel injected, liquid cooled. The bike's basically brand new. Price to sell at only $59.99. It's got LED lights. Make your naked twin-cylinder lightweight sport bike dreams come true right here. Come on by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes on stock. ABS brakes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.